An introduction to the GSTP as a profession. What a GSTP can do, who can become a GSTP, syllabus and about the examination. A GSTP is the best course for those who cannot become a chartered accountant or a CMA but who wants to become a professional. GSTP is a tax professional who specializes in GST law and rules. He provides services to the traders, manufacturing units, and other service providers to comply with the GST Act. He is recognized by the Act. A commerce graduate can take up this profession and start their own office and have good income. Who is a GST practitioner? A GST practitioner, as per section 255 of the GST Act, goods and service tax practitioner means any person who has been approved in section 48 of the Act as such practitioner. A GSTP is a tax professional approved by the central and state governments to perform any or all or some of the following functions on behalf of the taxable person. The works done by GSTP are: file an application for a fresh registration, furnish monthly, quarterly, annual and or final GST returns, make payments for tax, interest, penalty, fees or any other amount, file a claim for refund, appear as an authorized representative before any officer of the department, appellate authority or appellate tribunal as per the Rule 84 of the GST Act. Who can become a GSTP? General, a citizen of India, normally person on sound mind, not an insolvent, not a criminal, can become a GSTP. The educational qualification are a graduate or a postgraduate degree from a university in commerce, law, banking, business administration or business management. Only these people can become a GSTP after passing the examination. Examination for GSTPs are conducted by NAZIN, National Academy of Customs, Indirect Taxes and Narcotics, Faridabad. They have been authorized to conduct the examination for confirmation of enrollment of GSTPs by the government. Syllabus: GST and only GST Act is the syllabus. State GST Acts, Union Territory GST Acts, Central GST Act, Integrated GSTs, rules, circulars, notifications under the Act. See, the difference is, unlike other professional examinations, this contains only one subject, namely GST Act. Examination pattern is going to be 100 multiple choice questions, 3 hours online examination. Each question contains 2 marks. Therefore, 100 to 200 marks is the total marks. No negative mark for wrong answers. You should get 50% to get, that is 100 marks you should get to get through. Out of 200, you should get 100 marks. You should pass the examination within 18 months from the registration with GST portal. Then let us see how you register with GST portal in the following slides. The process of registering as a GST practitioner in the portal, the first step: log on to GST Common Portal, go to Services, then go to Registration, then select New Registration, then select GST Practitioner, then select the state and district, enter name, PAN details, email address and mobile number, enter the CAPTCHA code and click on Proceed. You will be directed to OTP verification page. Enter the 2 different OTPs received on email and on mobile number. This will generate a TRN. Thereafter, enter the TRN CAPTCHA. Enter the OTP received on the registered mobile number. Subsequently, enter all the details, upload documents, submit the verification page. Documents are your degree certificate, your address proof, your ID proof. There are two ways the application can be submitted, either through DSC or ECV and e-signature. Those who have DSCs can do it that way. Otherwise, upon this submission, the applicant will receive two OTPs on the Aadhaar linked mobile number and the other on the email ID. Enter the same and application is filed. Once the application is submitted, a successful message will be displayed as an acknowledgement on the registered email ID, and you will get payment within 15 days. Now the applicant is registered as a successful GST practitioner. Please note, you are supposed to clear the examination within 18 months from this date. The forms use GST PCT01. GST PCT01 is application. GST PCT2 is the certificate as a GST practitioner given by the department. GST PCT5 is the authorization given by your client to you. So once you clear the examination, you will have a bright future in the GST tax practice. As far as tax practice is concerned, once you clear the examination, practically you will be at par with a chartered accountant for all practical purposes. Though you are not really a CA, nevertheless, for all practical purposes, all the services rendered by a chartered accountant in getting the GSTN number, filing the forms, filing the returns, appearing before authorities, all will be at par with the chartered accountant. So with this, you will be having a very good future. All those commerce graduates who want to come up in life, who are already in employment, can please take up this examination, get through and have a bright future. Thank you very much. For any information on this, you may be in touch with me. My phone number and email ID are given here. Please subscribe to this channel. You'll be having a lot of good videos on various useful topics. Thank you all.